Welcome back to my channel, guys. Look at this. This is the strategy I told you guys about. Deriv are looking for this strategy. They want to ban this strategy. So make sure that you lay your hands on this strategy already. Watch it over and over. Have good understanding and don't forget these settings. Okay, never forget the settings. So the best way to understand how to make use of this strategy to watch it over and over. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video with friends. All right, so I'll show you guys everything you need to know about this strategy. Okay, let me bring this down for now. Okay, so today I've given like 3 signals already. This is the third signal I've given today so far. You can see we're in deep profit. So I've given 3 signals to the VIP. Let me show you guys the VIP already. All right, so that's the free, and this is the VIP. This is the VIP group. All right, so you can see this is today. That's the first signal, and the second signal. All right, the second signal in deep profit, dot first signal in deep profit, and then the crash in deep profits too. All right, so we don't joke here. So if you're looking, I know a lot of us are really frustrated. So if you're looking for where to be taking good signals, okay, be making money even without having any knowledge about how to trade the financial market, just check the description box to chat me up. If you want to learn, like today, we're starting the new batch for today. So if you meet me today, you get your special discount. We're starting the new batch for mentorship today. So if you want to learn how to analyze the price, the market, the charts as a pro, read all these candlesticks, because this is the best way. If you really want to be successful in trading, the best thing to do is to know how to read the candlesticks, read the chart, and get your result, right? You win most of your trades. All right, so if you want to know how to do that, to learn as pro, start driving the fast cars, making like $1,000 every other day, just hit me up now. Check the description box to chat me up directly. Join the free Telegram channel. Let's make money. Classes start today for this batch. Don't miss it. Okay, if you check the channel, the free channel, there's free discount, special discount that's running right now. Okay, so back to the strategy. The first thing you need to know about the strategy is to understand the trend. All right, understand the trend. I understand the trend. Now remember, I told you guys that the indicator here must be above the current price for you to sell. But because I apply price action, this is no longer relevant or important to me because I know the price action. That's why I'm telling you guys, if you want to learn, if you want to be really successful, you need to understand price action. So I can teach you how to do it. All right, so I understood that this market, though it's an uptrend, but it has gotten to a certain price that is likely going to reverse. So for you to be successful in trading in general, you must know how to define market structure and the trend. Okay, so this is an uptrend, but I understand that markets will be changing direction from there. It's going down below this zone. Okay, so for the strategy, if you identify this trend properly well on the 30 minutes time frame, you can go ahead down to your 1 minute time frame. Remember, you're catching spike with this strategy. You're taking one spike or two depending on the trend. If you really understand the trend, you're taking 1 or 2 spikes. Okay, then two, you're using this zoom level one. This is the first zoom level. This is the second zoom level. So I think second zoom level, even if your own second zoom level is something like this, make sure that you zoom it to this level depending on your phone, the phone you're using. Make sure you zoom it to this level where you can see the candlesticks properly. All right, so when you get to this point, that's it. Then you centralize your charts. Centralize your charts. Okay, so that's simple. Then you bring the indicator window in. So now the idea is to make sure that when you see boom and crash, like I said, you make use of boom and crash. You want to catch spikes on boom 1000, boom 500, 600, 900. Avoid trading the 300. You can trade 500, 1000, 900, and 600. Then for crash, the same thing. Avoid trading the 300. It's crazy. You can see this is boom 900, which means that this strategy works perfectly well on boom. 900 as well. So look at this. Now, this is what you do when you move down to the 1 minute time frame. You want to wait for markets to these indicators to push up to the oversold or overbought zone for crash, to overbought zone for crash. Once it gets to this point, you are selling. You can see we have the black indicator above the level, and also we have this other indicator, the red and green indicator, around this overbought zone. So once you see the two indicator inside this level, that's a sign for you to sell, and you sell, you get massive spikes. The same thing right here, you have the black indicator inside there, and also this red indicator inside here, and you sell massive spikes. The same thing here, and the same thing right there, same thing right here. Obviously you can see that, bro. You can see series of spikes, multiple spikes from that zone down. The same thing right here, massive spike right there. Okay, every time, bro, every time market gets to that point, it spikes and gives us so much money. So that is how to trade with this strategy. Now you need to understand that crash goes up always, then it spikes down. So what does that mean? When you're selling, when you're catching spikes on crash, once you catch your spike, you need to move your SL below your entry. Okay, and also as you're trading, even if as you're catching spikes, you must know the amounts of money you're risking. If you're risking $5, be sure that you move your SL to $5 level. So once market goes up to that your SL, it will just hit you on close. Don't expect spike to happen every time, because sometimes it can go for like 3 good hours without a single spike. Okay, so always know how much you're risking. You have $100, want to risk 10 or $5 each trade. You do that and push gradually, and move your SL to that certain level, that price. So when market gets there, if you didn't go your direction, it will just hit your SL and close. Okay, so yeah, that's it. The measure is right here, guys. We are making good money. Join the academy, join the VIP channel. I've created a group for the academy already. Today we have in class. I'll be there live on Zoom call. I'll teach you guys, record everything, and send back to you guys so that you can always go back to watching the videos and learn. And even if you are not in class while I'm lecturing on teaching, you can always go back to the video and learn. If you have any question, ask me. So okay, so how to add the indicators. You go here, you click on this level, this option, this button there, that icon, that F icon, you click on it. Then you're adding MA. First of all, your period is 300, shift is 6, method is linear weighted, applied to typical price. Levels, you can see the color right there. I'm using red color. You click on done, and you click on that place again. Going to relative strength index. The period is 12, applied to typical price. Levels, here we have level 15, 5, 85, and 95. You click on done. Then you choose color black. If you're using black background, MT5 background, then you choose white so that you can see what you're doing. Then again, you go back and you're adding Ichimoku. The level here, we have to can send 4. Could you send 3? Second span B 42. 42. You don't fill this place, you leave it open. Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, and Sheku span, it's all the same. Senku span, they're all the same. The first 3 are the same color, which is the color of your chart. Then up Kumu should have color, and down Kumu color as well. You click on done, and that's it. That's the strategy. As simple as that, guys. So I will encourage you guys to practice this, and you also need to learn price action. See, you must not learn price action from me. You can learn it from any other person. You can even read watch some random videos online, but it's gonna take you a while for you to discover yourself or to get a strategy. But I'll advise you to pay someone and learn. Okay, it must not be me, but just pay someone and get the knowledge. It's very important if you really want to do it long term. You need to know how to analyze the market the proper way, the right way. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe. Let's grow. I'm always free. I'm simple. You can talk to me. You can interact with me. I'm not like some mentors that does not have time for you. So I always have time. So even if you're not my student, you can just hit me up, chat me. Let's be friends. Okay. Let us be friends. The message is right here. Bye bye.